Polk County in western North Carolina, northeastern Greenville County in upstate South Carolina, northwestern Spartanburg County in upstate South Carolina, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 9:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from 5 miles southwest of Columbus to 7 miles northwest of Greenville downtown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Berea, Travelers Rest, Landrum, Inman, Tryon, Campobello, Harris Mountain State Park, Lake Bowen, Tigerville, and Lake Robinson. Scattered trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Seek shelter inside an interior room. These storms are also producing extremely heavy rainfall. Flooding of drainage ditches and low-lying areas may occur. Small streams will rise rapidly. Do not drive through areas where water is flowing over the road. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following county, Polk, North Carolina, and the following counties, in South Carolina, Greenville and Spartanburg. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg.